Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to submit your ITR. Basically how you can file your ITR. It's very easy thing to do. You have to just go to Google and type here incometax.gov.in/IEC/FO portal/, and once you hit the enter button you will get this link of income tax department home. Now you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you will get this option of login. So basically you have to log in enter here, right? This is very important because without login you won't be able to do it, right? Even though if you don't get the exact, if you want the exact link, I will share in the description too. Now the next step you have to do is basically you have to select your income tax region. So here you have to select your year. So as you can see here, now here you have to select your year. So basically you can select your 2000, whichever you are filing for current. This is 2024 to 2025. The next step basically is here you have to select the assessment year, right? So mode of filing as online, and then you have to click on continue. Once you click on continue, here you have to select the applicable filing status, which is individual, HUF or others, right? Depending upon that criteria, you can just select whichever you are from. Here you have to carefully select the ITR form. Here basically you can see, so here you have to select the ITR form ITR 1 to ITR 7 based on your income source and situation. So basically from wherever, from your country, from India, wherever you're from, you have to select from ITR 1 to ITR 7 depending upon your income. Right, now the last step is basically you have to validate. After that they will ask you information like PAN ID, Aadhaar, name, or basically date of birth and contact details and bank account too. So you have to disclose all relevant income, exemption and deductions. So after that you have to review. But for here, if you select ITR 1, you need to fill the 5 sections such as follow, as you can see here on the screen. If you select ITR 4, then here are the, you need to fill this section as you can see here over your screen. Now here summary of tax computations, you can just go through it, and after that they will ask you to validate. You can validate by e-verify, or basically e-verify later within 120 days from the date of filing, right? And you can also do it with ITRV through normal or speed post or centralized processing center. Now here you will get some of the options from which these are the ways from which you can just verify. You can verify through your bank account, you can verify the OTP from your Aadhaar card, or pre-validated bank account, or pre-validated demat account too. Now here, once everything is done, you have to click on submit to submit the ITR. Once you have successfully uploaded your income tax return, you will receive an income tax acknowledgement at your email address. I hope you found this information really useful. If you did, subscribe.